Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Mr. Aulia, Honorable Miss Yuki, and good morning everyone. We are from Group Second, want to presentation our analytical exposition by the title, The Benefit of Tax. Next. Before that, let me introduce our members. There is Mr. Tegas Mangkuluhur, Mr. Farhan Hamid, Miss Ananda Putri Aulia, and the last one is Mr. Fajriansa. Next. Every country must always carry out national development to improve the welfare of its people. To realize these goals, need to pay a lot attention to the issue of financing development. One way to overcome this is to explore the source of funds from the country in the form of taxes. And what is tax? Tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owed by an individual or entity that is coercive under law, without being directly rewarded and used for the purpose of the state for the greatest prosperity of the people. According to Professor Dr. Adriani, a tax is a contribution to the state, which can be imposed out by those who are obligated to pay it according to regulation, with no re-achievement, which can be directly appointed, and whose use is to finance public expenses in connection with the duties of the state that organize the government. The tax itself has two functions, namely, first, the reception function or budgeter, and the second is the regulation function or regulator. First, reception function or budgeter. Taxes serve as a source of funds destined for the financing of government expenditures. Taxes are the main resource of state revenue. With the taxes, most state activities cannot be implemented. For example, the inclusion of taxes in the state budget as domestic reserves. The second is regulation function or regulator. Taxes serve as a tool for regulating or implementing policies in the social and economic spheres. For the example, a higher tax is imposed on liquor so that its consumption can be suppressed. Of these two functions, taxes provide many benefits for the state, society, as well as special moments such as the COVID-19 pandemic. Next.
So this is our argument. Firstly, taxes have many benefits for the state. Quoting from the kemenq.go.id page, taxes are the main source of state revenue, which account for around 70% of all state revenue. Without taxes, most state activities would be difficult to carry out. The use of taxes range from personal expenditure to financing various development projects. The construction of public facilities such as roads, bridges, school, hospital, or health center, and police station is financed by taxes. Infrastructure development, education costs, health costs, full subsidies, BBM, civil servant salaries, and the construction of public facility are all financed by taxes. The more taxes collected, the more facilities and infrastructure are built. Therefore, taxes are the spearhead of a country development. So it is appropriate for a good citizen to obey paying taxes. Next.
Okay, secondly, argument is the benefit felt by the people in paying tax are the people can enjoy public facilities and infrastructure built the government and can improve transportation means, for example, toll roads and other infrastructure such as transportation. Tax payment is also useful for subsidizing food and food oil, which are often enjoyed by the poor. The tax function as a redistribution of income. The tax serves as a tool for the prosperity of society. For example, entrepreneur opportunity or increased employment opportunity. In this case, the government business development program through tax can only be enjoyed by entrepreneurs who pay tax. The benefit that can be felt by the people include the imposition of an imported tax on luxury goods as regulated in Law No. 8 of 90 and 83 can protect the public from foreign products to be more competitive in this country. The imposition of the sales tax on luxury goods is also very influential on the Indonesian economy and state revenue because the nominal fee is quite large. The goal is very important to protect small and medium entrepreneurs so that they also have the opportunity to market their business and regulate consumption patterns to create the principle of justice.
And this is the last part about tax benefit during the pandemic. COVID-19 has not only had a tremendous impact on public health, but also on the Indonesian economy. The government estimates that Indonesian economic growth is at risk of falling to 2.3% in the heavy scenario, adding a negative 0.4% in the highly trending scenario. This economic downturn will have an impact on the UMKM household sector and corporate and financial sector. Then what is the role of tax in minimizing this impact? And the tax you pay is used by the government to support additional spending and budget financing for handling the impact of COVID-19, amounting to 451 trillion rupiah, which among other is used for medical personnel incentive and healthcare spending of 75 trillion rupiah, social safety net of 100 trillion rupiah, industrial support of 70.1 trillion rupiah, as well as the national economic recovery program of 150 trillion rupiah. Therefore, the tax paid will be very meaningful in accelerating Indonesian economic recovery. In addition, the government also provides incentive and facilities in the field of taxation to support the community economy, including relaxation of the reporting of individual annual income tax return, lower corporate tax rates, employees income tax borne by the government, UMKM final tax borne by the government, freedom to collect income tax Article 22 imports, reduction installment of PPH Article 25, relaxation of VAT refunds, and the convenience of online tax service and consultant to improve business equality and increase the government's fiscal capacity. The government has also issued regulation for the imposition of tax on online transaction carried out by foreign commerce business sector. Thank you.
And a conclusion is tax are a major contribution to state revenue. The tax revenue are used for the development of infrastructure and public facilities that can be utilized by everyone. Our tax payments are felt indirectly, one of which in tax on import or luxury goods. The tax can be used to protect small and medium-sized entrepreneurs so that they have the opportunity to do business to create a sense of fairness. Moreover, due to the current pandemic, tax are very helpful in handling the impact of COVID-19 so that it can restore the Indonesian economy. According to the argument above, it is the people as a whole, rich or poor, who should contribute the money needs from the money they give to come back to them in the shape of the public benefit which all enjoy. Therefore, we have no right to protest or not pay tax. Maybe that's from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.